Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and I am super excited today because I'm going to show you guys how to make these Corona glitter bottles. I really like these. I used them personally last year for my baby shower. My baby shower last year was Mexican themed, and so I'm totally excited to show you guys. This was definitely my favorite. And these were my centerpieces, so I had 3 of them in each table. I've seen different Pinterests where they have like ties around them, like little bows and stuff like that. I personally like them like this. I thought they were really cute. I've seen it with Modelo bottles. I do have one. I like the Corona better, but I'm gonna go to one Modelo bottle so you guys can see what it looks like. Super easy to do and inexpensive. All right, let's get going. So here's the floor cleaner that you need and your glitter. Last time I used 2, so I bought 2 just in case. The funnels that you're gonna use. I don't personally use any gloves. I think we'll be fine. So this has to be quick because before this chemical dries out in the bottle, you gotta pour in your glitter in there. So go ahead and grab your floor cleaner and your bottle. And I grab a piece of napkin that's like extra folded up, and then you shake it in there. Make sure you get all that liquid in there real good. Any excess you're gonna pour back into the floor cleaner bottle, and then you're gonna go ahead and put the funnel into the bottle for the glitter. This is gonna go back into the glitter as well. So then you're gonna grab that piece of paper again, or a piece of napkin. You're gonna shake real well till it's well covered in glitter, and then pour back all the excess glitter back into your container. There's gonna be a lot of excess on both the glitter and the floor cleaner. Super easy, right? So excited! Everybody loved these. I remember my baby shower, everyone took them, which I was totally okay with. Like, take them, that's fine. So that was one, and then you just keep doing that process over again for 30 times, however many bottles you got. Go ahead and collect your bottles up maybe after a party. I like to be frugal like that, so that's why I asked my sister, but I wasn't able to get enough by the time I was going to record the video, so that's why I went and bought a 12-pack and drank it with my husband and my sister-in-law and my friends. So here it is. It's the same thing, nothing to it, it's just a different bottle. Whoa. All right, that's what it looks like. I like it, it's cute. Really, it's up to preference. So that was that. It took me about 15 minutes and I had to stop and go take care of my baby for a minute because he was crying. But I've done this before, so here are all the bottles, and now I'm gonna show you how we do the flower part to it. Let me get all this mess cleaned up. So these are the flowers. This is the best I can find at the dollar store. Obviously, I'm trying to keep it cost efficient, and I didn't find the ones that I found last year at the same. It was a 99-cent only store. I really like these because I don't know, I feel like from afar they kind of look like they're real. They don't look so cheapy to me. But anyway, wasn't able to find them, but the next best thing were these. And so roses I thought were really cute for this theme, for Mexican theme. And what I like is that you get plenty of flowers for one bunch, and one bunch is $1. So I must have spent 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 on flowers. So can't beat that. You have wires, so you can't just cut them with scissors. So I had to go into my husband's tools and grab pliers. And you're gonna be able to do what you want at the end, you know, if you want without the little leaves, you can pull them out and just have something set. You know, that's gonna be really up to you, where you can pull it all the way up and then just have it sticking out like that. There you go. All right. There you go, guys. Peach, let me see what the red looks like. So we got some red ones here. And you can have the leaf outward, more like that. There we go. That looks cute. I like that. There you go. Like the red rose. That's going with the theme. Oh guys, that looks cute too. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do them all, okay? Oh, I can only get sticking out more too. Okay. I'm gonna get it. So don't also be afraid to fluff out your flowers a little bit. I don't like this look that it's like very like closed in. So obviously still trying to leave it looking like a flower, but I kind of like fluffed mine out a little bit. See the difference? There we go. All right. So that all done. So hopefully that it is super easy and inexpensive to do for you guys. I totally loved it. I definitely think it was like my favorite thing to do last year for my baby shower. And there they are. So I have a total of 29. I might just give these away if anybody has like a party going on or a event going on that's like Mexican themed, or that these bottles could tie into. Just go ahead and comment down below. So I will do a giveaway. I know it's not a lot, but if you can use them, hey, I'll ship them over to you. Obviously only nationally. I'm only gonna ship here within the US. Anyways, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Please like the video, subscribe, share it, please. All right, you guys, and take care. I will see you guys next time, girlies.